Imagine this. You're standing at a crossroads. One path is safe, familiar, and predictable. The other, uncertain, risky, and full of challenges. Most people would choose the easy road. But the ones who change the world, they take the risk. Jeff Bezos had a secure, high-paying job sa Wall Street. He could have played it safe. Pero imbes na magstay sa comfort zone, iniwan niya ang stability para habulin ang mas malaki, isang maliit na online bookstore. Para sa iba, risk yun. Pero hindi lang bookstore ang binubuo ni Bezos. He was building Amazon, a company na babago sa e-commerce, cloud computing, at innovation mismo. The biggest risk isn't failure, it's never trying at all. You will never build something great if you're too afraid to take the first step. So take the leap, bet on yourself, and build something greater than you ever imagined.